to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Asab. If this is your first time stepping by, I'm doing videos every single day this month for Ramadan. So this is going to be a continuation of my Ramadan series, and I'm talking about something that I'm so excited about, so passionate about, I love so much. It's fragrance. You guys, I am obsessed with perfumes. I'm a perfume collector, and I want to share my love of perfumes with you and tell you about my most complimented perfumes. So I did a video on this a couple of months ago and it did really well, so I wanted to do an updated version because I've kind of swapped out a few things, and of course as time passes you kind of gravitate to different perfumes and you let other ones just sit on the counter for a little bit. And so I'm going to tell you guys about a couple of perfumes that I have been obsessing over lately. I only have one that is the same as the last video, and that is my girl. This is my girl, like this is me, guys. This is Lancome Idol perfume. As you guys can see, like, she is done, honey. She is holding on for life. So the reason why I love this perfume so much, you guys, is because it's literally everything that I want in a perfume. It's feminine, it's floral, it's sexy, it's fresh. It's like, oh, let me just spray in the air if there's anything left. Oh, it's just like me. I don't know how to describe it. It's just, I feel like I really identify with it because I feel like it smells like how I would want to smell in a bottle. And I've recommended this perfume, you guys, to so many people. Everyone has raved about it. Everyone has said they loved it. I've had, you know, some of my subscribers just blind buy it and message me saying thank you for introducing me to this perfume, because she is that. Like, I can honestly say I've never been chased after as much as when I'm wearing this perfume, okay? By men, women, and children. Like, what are you smelling? Like, I want to buy that for my wife. And it's this one. I'm unfortunately almost done. Actually, not unfortunately, because bam, I have another one. That's how much I like it. So as soon as she's out of commission, tap in right here. So this is how the box looks. You guys can see it's like pretty simple. And I think it's a really good price point. It's like a typical mid-range perfume. Not super cheap, but definitely not really expensive. And I think it's worth it. I've had this bottle for about a year and I use it every single day. The only thing I have to say about this, and it's the same complaint that I had last time, is that this bottle is not functional and I'm not a fan of it. And it sucks because another of the perfumes that I'm going to talk about today has the same type of bottle, and I like my things to sit. Like, it's taking up a lot more space lying like this. It falls. It's actually got cracked. So as you guys can see, it's actually has a huge crack in it because it's fallen off my countertop more than once. Aside from that, that's literally my only complaint. This is like the best fragrance ever, and I have nothing else bad to say about it. I would definitely repurchase, which I have. Actually, I got that as a gift, but if I didn't get it as a gift, I would have repurchased it because I love it so much. The next perfume I want to talk about is her. She is so cute, you guys. When I first got her, I was a little disappointed and it wasn't exactly what I was expecting, but I gave her another chance. I let her wear, and she is that girl. She is that girl. So this is a fragrance that I actually picked up because of Rihanna. So I heard that this is Rihanna's favorite fragrance and this is what she smells like. And everyone always says that Rihanna smells amazing. So I had to try it. I didn't even smell this, you guys. I just got it and to see how it smelled. And let me spray it in the air. She is sweet. Like, she is a very sweet, she is a candy gal. But it's not for everyone. When I smelled her, I'm like, this smells good, but it's kind of annoyingly sweet, and I don't know if I'm into that. And then I let it sit, I let it settle, and when those top marshmallow notes wear off, it's amazing. It smells really, really good. It's not as sweet as it usually is, but it's still, like, obviously it's gonna stay sweet, but it's not gonna be intensely, annoyingly sweet. And that's when I decided she's a keeper. So this perfume has, I believe, orange blossom, vanilla, and marshmallow. So what you first smell when you spray this is that really heavy marshmallow, and that can be kind of overwhelming for some people. So if you do not like a really sweet perfume, then this wouldn't be for you. I don't mind a sweet perfume. I like to smell sweet, but not crazy sweet. And so I realize if this sits on your skin, especially when it gets into that chemistry of your body and your skin, it definitely wears off a little bit and that marshmallow kind of mellows down and you get the most amazingly sweet vanilla based perfume. I'm obsessed with it. It is pricey. I believe it's like $310, something like that, and that's Canadian dollars. So that is a lot to spend on a perfume, I'm not gonna lie. I do like the packaging. I feel like the packaging is super luxe. You can feel it. It feels like money. It feels heavy. There's really beautiful detailing on the sides. And it's like this gold. It's super shiny, super luxe gold. Even the box it comes in, like this is the box that it comes in. And it also is like really luxe. Great gift. If you are a man watching this and you're looking for a gift for your wife or your girlfriend or whatever, she's a cute gift. And she... I dropped the box. She's a cute gift and she is worth the splurge, I believe. Smell her. Get a sample. The next perfume I want to talk about is another Killian, and this is actually my first Killian perfume, and I got this twice. The first time I got it, I was gifted it by the brand, which thank you for that, and I actually got to meet Killian himself. He's so nice. Anyways, I got this and I actually gave it to my mom because I thought as soon as I smelled it, I'm like, this is her vibe. My mom is also another perfume fanatic like me. I think I get it from her. And so as soon as I smelled it, I was like, this smells good, but it's more my mom's vibe. So I gave it to her. And then I smelled this on her and I was like, no, I need it for myself. So I went back and I got one. Here you guys see her. Oh, another really beautiful bottle. You guys can see, I think this is like a signature for him. Just a square bottle with that really pretty detailing on the sides. All right, so let's spray her. So this is also a very floral perfume, very feminine. So if you guys want to know a little bit more about me and why I recommend the perfumes that I do and what I like, I love a feminine perfume. I love a super floral perfume, sometimes citrusy, really girly, really feminine. That's like my vibe, and she is that vibe. She is that vibe, but she is muskier a little bit in my opinion. She's deeper. She is grown woman. This is very date night, very sexy, very evening. I definitely would wear this like if I were out with a husband or something. I don't have a husband, but if I had one, this is what I would wear. So when you first spray this, you get that heavy almond, that really nice toasty flavor. It almost feels like just sitting in front of a nice warm fire. Like that's the feeling that I get when I spray this. And then as that wears off, you get more of the vanilla. I love a vanilla perfume. Like any perfume that has vanilla in it, I'm obsessed. My next purchase is going to be Tom Ford Vanilla. If you guys have used that perfume, comment down below and let me know if it's worth it. I've had my friend Karina, she's also on YouTube, shout out to Karina, she told me to get that one, so I'm definitely going to get that one next. But anything that has vanilla, that's my vibe, and I definitely smell the vanilla in this, and it's just, she is what that girl wants to be. That's what I would say. She's not that girl, she's who that girl wants to be, honey. She is grown woman, she has her shit together, she is a boss. I think this is also worth a splurge. And yeah, get a sample, check it out, and let me know if you guys also like it. So the next perfume is a citrusy perfume. As you guys know, I do like myself a little bit of a citrus. Nothing that's like annoyingly orange, but this one just smells fresh. This smells like summer. I definitely will pull this out as soon as the weather starts to get hot because I feel like it's not super overwhelming. It smells clean, it smells fresh. She is that cute fitness girl. That's who she is. So this is a fresh scent. It's really layerable. I feel like it smells really good when you mix it with something that's a little bit more sweet, so it kind of balances out. Okay, so the key notes for this are mandarin, basilic, and cedarwood. It is a fresh unisex scent. I definitely can see how it could be unisex because it isn't really feminine. It's not super girly. It's more fresh, super citrusy. Smells like just like fresh grapefruit, like you just cut up some fresh fruits. That's what it smells like, but not like annoyingly sweet. More of that clean vibe that you get from it. And I definitely think that this is really good scent as you go into summer and spring. The weather gets hotter, you don't really want to be overwhelming with your scent, and I think when it mixes in with the skin, it just smells like fresh body, if that makes sense. So I also really like the bottle. I feel like Guerlain is really into this kind of honeycomb thing. Their whole vibe is all about bees, save the bees, and you get that in this. The only thing I have to say is that this is kind of cheap. Like this is just like plastic. It's nothing really substantial. It looks pretty, but it doesn't feel really nice. I think the price point is pretty affordable though. So this perfume is about, I believe, $99, which honestly it's not cheap, but it's not like on the higher end of fragrances. So I can kind of understand why this isn't super luxe, but it is really cute. I feel like she looks good. She looks super classical, and I think she is that fitness girl. That's what I would describe her as. She's that fitness girl. She is that girl who just got out the shower. She smells clean, she smells fresh, she smells beautiful. I definitely have people ask me what this is when I'm out, and she isn't overwhelming, so you have to be pretty close to me to smell her, but she's cute. I like her, and I've been using her a lot. I know I'm going to be wearing her more as we get into the warmer weather. Okay, so the next perfume I want to talk about is this one by Jo Malone, and this is Red Roses. So I read that this perfume is supposed to be genderless, but I don't think so. Actually, honestly, people can use whatever type of perfume, but it's definitely more of the feminine side of perfumes. Let me just spray it again. I can smell. I mean, it's pretty obvious what it smells like based on the name. It does smell like roses. It smells like fresh cut roses. It's floral, it's fresh. At first I wasn't really sure about it when I first got it out the bottle, but it did grow on me. It's one of these perfumes that really goes with your chemistry, and I've read that it's different on so many different people. So definitely suggest for you to spray this on yourself, let it wear for a little bit so you can see what you're going to be left with. But overwhelmingly, it is obviously roses. If you want to smell like roses, if you like that kind of smell, this is it. I personally love smelling roses. I love that fresh cut flower smell, and this is what she's giving. She's super fresh, super clean, and great for going into spring, summer. And I'm gonna do a whole video on my spring summer perfumes because I have a whole collection of them, so we can check that out next. But I think we're gonna leave that here. So if you guys like any of these perfumes that I'm talking about, they're gonna be linked down below as always. And if you have any other questions or want me to check out a different perfume, please link it down below because I'm always looking for new perfumes. And yeah, stay tuned for another perfume video, definitely before Ramadan daily vlogs are done. And of course, I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow because I'm posting every single day. And if you guys have not already, please subscribe. Please turn on your post notifications so you don't miss any more of my videos. And I will see you guys very shortly in the next one. By shortly, I mean tomorrow.